Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to sort by date. So we have the example date and number. So if you want to sort by date at these columns, you can click at the columns. Use the filter tools, you can click editing, sort and filter, and then click filter. Now you can see we have the drop down menu, you can click. Now you can change in here, like I will set only 02. You can uncheck for another option. Click OK, and we will show only the 02. I will set again for 01. Or another option, if you want to set by news to all, you can click at this option like this, but you can appear all the date. Click OK, and then I will choose news to alt, or you can change alt to news. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to sort by date. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.